Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks, Futures, and Forex Market preview for Wednesday the 10th of February 2021. I don't know why I said 2019. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. One more time, new highs in the market, even though there was no excitement at all and you have the narrowest candle possible, and it just ruins our ability to trade. It's just, these are the worst days like this. But it's new highs in the market, so that part's good. Well, I don't know if it's good. I don't know who it's good for. We're not going to get any action until something breaks to the downside. That's just kind of obvious at this point in time. So, daily charts. Crude oil down 12 cents to 58.24. Gold down up 7 cents to $7 to 18.4450. The S&P cash loses $4.36. However, it's still tucked up against that risk line from the 13 sell signal, so that's still in play. The NASDAQ side, though, broke the risk line, even though it's down 7.93 today, which is fine. SOX down 13.52. Biotech's down 33.39. So keep in mind, we ended up with the S&P down 4, the NASDAQ down 7, the SOX down 13, the Biotech's down 33. The Russell 2000 was up 9 points, new closing high on the Russell. That's the small cap index. The VIX closed up 39 cents to 21.63. Cannot break that red static trend line. It's been quite amazing. We'd like to see this thing get back in the teens. It will give us better opportunities for some options plays, but it's just not happening yet. Trend closes at 1.50. Puts the 10-day moving average at 1.13. The NASDAQ volume was 8.7 billion shares. That's the third highest volume day in history, which is amazing when you realize we didn't move. We'll look at the intraday action in a minute. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 740. So more stocks up than down. On the New York plus 507. It's fine. Google loses $9.13, so everything's up, but it's down. Apple loses 90 cents. Okay, not much there. Netflix gains $11.15. Amazon loses $17.94. That's still a blip for a $3,000 stock, and this thing has been, look at this, you're talking about, it's sitting where it was basically on 4th of July. It's been half a year. Half a year and the stock hasn't moved on Amazon. Tesla down $13.96. Facebook up $2.87. Zoom gains $19.20. Goldman Sachs up 31 cents. That's kind of a blip. Doesn't really mean anything. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up 11 cents. The Dow was down 9 points. That just doesn't even matter. Bitcoin now sitting at 56,775, but it did hit higher. It hit over 48,000 because why not? That's an Elon Musk pushing thing. And here's the ES front month futures contract. Now this is where you see what the day really looks like, right? So we curled up and ran up a bit late in the day on Monday. So on Tuesday we gapped down, pushed lower about 15 minutes in, came back up, took all day, couldn't fill the gap early, pulled back again, finally filled the gap over lunch, sitting there flat. In the afternoon we tried new highs by like a tick. That didn't work, and flat. And it's just so bad. Like there's just nothing here. It's not tradable for 2 days in a row, and yet you're trading 2 days of record volume in the markets. Meanwhile, the NASDAQ up 58 points. Yeah, it is what it is. All right, so in terms of economic data coming out on Wednesday here in the U.S. anyways, we've got CPI at 8:30, so it'll be half size for our Forex calls, which there's none because the levels are so bunched together. We're not even making Forex calls. That's how bad it is. That's at 8:30. Final wholesale inventories at 10. Crude oil at 10:30. 10-year bond auction at 1. Federal budget balance at 2. Japan and China go on bank holiday for the rest of the week after today. I don't know if that's going to help or hurt. You wouldn't usually expect it would help. And so it is what it is. We will try to call it from the tape. There's no report tonight because of the lack of action. Let's just see if we can find something tomorrow. It matters. I mean, right now, this is just uneventful. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.